Hey guys, this is Seth at Q Sales Inc. and this is a virtual inspection by video. We're going to start this machine up and run and operate it, and then we're going to inspect the major components. This machine starts up and it runs and operates well. Has a very nice 60-inch Triton deck. The paint has been touched up on this deck, but it is in very good operating condition. Everything works well on it. It's got very nice front tires. The rear tires are approximately 60% life left. This is your console with the key switch, blade engagement, choke, and throttle. This machine has a very nice Kohler Command SP 23 horsepower engine with a heavy-duty air filter system, and it runs and operates really well. Dual fuel tanks, about 10 gallons of gas. Seats in very nice shape. Hydraulic pumps and wheel motors all operate as they should, and the deck spindles are tight. It's a good running and operating machine. If you have any questions, feel free to message us. Thank you. Hey guys, thanks for viewing our videos. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a message. We can ship these machines pretty much anywhere, so if you want a shipping rate, feel free to contact us. And thanks again for watching. Have a great day.